Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get face tracking on Roblox mobile. First of all, you have to tap on three dots and then go to settings. Where is the settings? Here. Then you have to go to in privacy. Now once you're in the privacy, you have to open it and now you have to enable the second permission. As you can see, this permission you have to enable it because the second permission says that Roblox will use your camera to animate your avatar with your movement. To enable it or to get it, what you need to do, you have to just tap on it to disable, tap on it to enable. Just tap on it or enable button and your camera will be used by Roblox. Let me disable the voice chat because recording I will face problem later. So better to turn it off now. Now open any game that supports camera as communication and go to any game. So now if you want to get it, guys, you just need to tap on this video icon to get face tracking, and as you can see that it is started doing face tracking. And if I move my head, as you can see, it's working fine. As I move my head left, right, up, down, and right now I'm lying down on my bed, and as you can see it's the head is little tilted. So and this head is also giving us a nice vibes. So if you want to get this head, I'll give you the link in the description. And yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Show my teeth, show my teeth, see my teeth. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye.